Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom, and welcome to another simple yet useful tutorial video on my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how you can give access to your Google Drive and all the files and folder to your friends. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Google Drive application, and here you can see all the files and folders that I uploaded to my Google Drive. To share these files to your friends, there are a couple of ways, so I'm going to show you all of them. Just the first way is just click this three option, and you can see the option share. Just click that option share. Here, to share this link with other people, just click their email ID and select that email ID, and you can see on next to that email ID you can see the option editor. Just click that option. Here there are three options that you can share your videos with, like viewers, comment, and editor. The viewers means the person that you send this link only can view your files. The commenter just they can comment on that files. The editor means that the person that you are sending these links to can edit and also modify your account, and in this way you can give the person the proper access that he needs. And just click this share button, and the email ID there will send a email that contain the link within that. So in this way you can give the access of your files in to your friends from your Google Drive. And this is the video, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys on next one.